Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and important: chemical warfare. We'll be discussing what it is, how it's held, the number of chemicals used in this type of war, and the advantages and disadvantages of chemical wars. So, let's get started. Chemical warfare, also known as chemical war, is a form of warfare that involves the use of toxic chemicals as weapons. It's distinct from nuclear warfare, biological warfare, and radiological warfare, which together make up CBRN, or chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear warfare. The use of chemical weapons in international armed conflicts is prohibited under international humanitarian law, as outlined by the 1925 Geneva Protocol and the Hague Conventions of 1899 and 1907. Now, let's talk about how chemical warfare is held. The offensive use of living organisms, such as anthrax, is considered biological warfare rather than chemical warfare. However, the use of non-living toxic products produced by living organisms, such as botulinum toxin, ricin, and saxitoxin, is considered chemical warfare under the provisions of the Chemical Weapons Convention. So, how many chemicals are used in this type of war? Well, around 70 different chemicals have been used or stockpiled as chemical warfare agents during the 20th century. These chemicals fall into three categories. Category 1, based on Schedule 1 substances. Category 2, based on non-Schedule 1 substances. And Category 3, which includes devices and equipment designed to use chemical weapons without the substances themselves. Now, let's dive into the advantages and disadvantages of chemical warfare. One advantage is that it can be more effective than conventional weapons in certain situations, such as when fighting in urban areas or against enemy forces that are well protected in fortified positions. However, there are also significant disadvantages to using chemical warfare. Firstly, it's illegal under international law. Secondly, it can be difficult to control the spread of the chemicals, which can lead to civilian casualties and environmental damage. Thirdly, it can be expensive to produce and maintain chemical weapons, making it a less feasible option for some countries. Finally, it's important to note that the use of chemical weapons can lead to retaliation and escalation of conflict. And that's a wrap on our exploration of chemical warfare. I hope you found this information both fascinating and enlightening. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.